Guys, so today I'm going to introduce again one of the type of the object-oriented programming, and this is called um, polymorphism. So the polymorphism is the very known feature in object-oriented programming, and in the Python, there are many ways you can show this polymorphism. So before explaining details, I'd like to show you how it works. Alright? So I'm gonna create a class called Bard, and I'm gonna create init function self, and let's say name and color as the attributes. So I'm gonna create attribute name and attribute color here. So next I'm gonna create a cat class. Sorry. And I'm gonna create an init function, and again name color. So this will be the exactly the same attribute as one before. So I just created the two class, the bird and cat here. So I'm gonna instantiate this bird. The name is Jack and color is black. And I'm gonna instantiate the cat as well, and I'll say Tom and orange. So I'm gonna create a console right here, and now I'm gonna instantiate these two classes. So if you see the bird and name, this will get the Jack, and the bird and the color, you get a black. And likewise, if you see the cat and name, you say Tom, and cat and color, and you see orange. So from now on, I'll actually show you the polymorphism. So you can say for objects in, there is two instantiated object, right? So you put bird and cat here. So basically what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna make a for loop, and I'm gonna pass this object and I call attribute of the each instantiated object. So the way to do is object name, and actually gonna put inside of the print here, and likewise I'm gonna print object and color. So let's see what's gonna happen with this code. There you go. So now you see the attribute I created right here, the name and the color, the Jack and the black. These attributes are from the bird class, and you see here Tom and orange, and these are also the attributes that I created, but these are from cat class. So what just happened here is that even though this object is not the identical, what I mean by that is you put the two objects instantiated, but the way you call these attributes are just one time. So however many objects you instantiated, as long as these attribute name are identical, you can just call them. Like for example, this case the for loop, but there's a bunch of the way you can actually use it. So let's show you a little bit further. So I'm gonna create the doc here, and again this is exactly the same. I'm gonna pass these function, and I'm gonna instantiate it doc, and the name is al, and Kara is yellow. So now I run this code, and let's see if I add the doc here, and what's gonna happen. There you go. So now you see from bird, from cat, and from dog. So there is 3 objects are all instantiated and called inside of this for loop. So this is a type of the polymorphism in Python. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you next time. Thank you.